Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log in Binance on mobile app. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, launch Binance application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, tap on the option of login that you see at the top left corner. Now over here, you have to continue with your email or phone number that you used to create your account. You can also continue with Google or your Apple ID if you used these to create your Binance account. Now let me enter my email address. Now simply tap on Next. Now you have to enter your password. Okay, let me enter my password here and then tap on Next. Now, within a matter of seconds, you'll be logged into your Binance account. As you can see that by following these simple steps, I have been logged into my Binance account. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.